Alright, let's try this again. So what we are doing here is creating a private Pinterest board. And with that, you're going to pull inspiration through fonts, colors, graphics, other logos, and anything else that you can find on Pinterest to help pull together this vision of what you would like your brand to be and represent. And I already started pulling some pictures, the different color palettes, logos, where are the logos? Some logos down here, and also some fonts to get you started. So if any of these pull at your eye that you really like and you want to find more, for instance, you like this color palette here, nice warm tones, cozy, romantic style, scroll down and you'll be able to find similar color palettes that might be that might draw you in a little bit better than that first one. But as for starting, just pin anything and everything, and that will help me start getting an eye for what your brand is going to come together and look like. The logos here, I just grabbed a few, like I said. If you like that, scroll down and you can find similar ones. Keep pinning. Again, anything and everything. You like it, just pin it, and then we'll go through later and start taking out ones that don't make sense. Let's see. So if you type in the top, jewelry logos, this will obviously give you some more ideas that are tailored to your industry. You see I pinned that one already. And really just have fun with it. It doesn't matter what you pin, if it's the color you like, the style, the font you like, plug it in, make sure you put it into the correct board. Let me find our board here. Okay, there we are. And save it. And then in the board there, once we go back, you can actually edit this, change the description to why you like it. I like the simple font. This is helpful too, not absolutely necessary. I don't think I saved that. Either way, this will get you started. And to show an example of a previous brand that I had completed is Eric Tillman's New Insight Consulting and Counseling. So he started with loving blues and green tones, and the logo that he wanted was something not just very simple. He wanted to have not really complex either, but you see these ones are a little bit more than what they appear to be, and that was something that he liked. And other things we pulled in as far as the different green and blue colors. He wanted to be more down to earth, natural, more connected to the client. He's a mental health professional. So instead of having this hoity-toity, stuffy brand, he wanted to be more laid back, yet still represent the professionalism that he brings to the table. So these are all the pins that we had. Of course, you can see quite a variety of different things here. And it turned out to be final logo there, but our final mood board to bring it all together is this here. You have the blues and the greens colors, the earth-friendly, soft, and then also your professional mental health images here, putting together the pieces, that kind of thing. And then that turns into the final logo. This is used as the favicon for the website. Complete logo here. You have the strong type, includes this growth nature symbol with the creative thinking light bulb, the mind gears, which also doubles as the light coming off the light bulb. So that is that, and that is what we're gonna do for your brand. Let's get started.